present every time they call me dear. Listen, I keep the change in my pocket, I take the children at home, I give them a few pennies.